LB Universal Wi-Fi Programming Socket. This is the Universal Wi-Fi Programming Socket. It consists of two parts. When using it, you only need to insert the small board into the module and use the LB-H7 programmer to read and write. When disassembling, the buckle is loose and can be taken out. Install the LB Wi-Fi chip. Universal Wi-Fi Programming Socket connected to LB programmer. Wi-Fi SN shows PCIe OK, current approximately 50 milliamperes means the Wi-Fi chip functions normally. Enter the Wi-Fi operation. Models supported by the Wi-Fi chip will be displayed. Step E, read Wi-Fi info. Module SN shows 0, supported read yes. Step 2, enter the correct ASIC code to query the Wi-Fi SN. Step 3, check the Wi-Fi SN you found. It is consistent with the Wi-Fi SN you found when you query the factory data. Step 4, write the server data after verification. Step 5, after writing successfully, check whether the Wi-Fi SN data read is consistent with the Wi-Fi SN written. Wi-Fi chip only supports one activation. Step 6, remove the Wi-Fi chip and install it directly to repair the Wi-Fi function.